when the money's coming in, you take it for granted, and you may just be burning it, throwing it around, spreading it too thin. It's like trying to spread 1 scoop of peanut butter on 10 slices of bread. It's too thin.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more OG crypto wisdom. What's going on, guys? Man, I'll tell you what, talk about a V-shaped recovery today with Bitcoin. So let's talk about today's OG crypto wisdom. And that is, when things are good, stay focused and concentrated and don't over diversify. Boy, that's a big message. When things are good, don't stay focused and don't over diversify. So I think one of the biggest lessons from being through a complete cycle, you know, I told you I started in 2017. Now, you know, there was many times throughout that cycle where I had really good passive income. Like I know on this channel I talk about passive income and the importance of it for drawdowns, and you know, to be able to keep getting paid, you know, whether that's your goal to stop working or to just have extra flash cash, whatever, you know. But when you're in some really good platforms and the money's just coming in, it's super duper easy to get distracted. And what do I mean by get distracted? To start buying Elon baby Floki, whatever. You got new coins dropping. You got new platforms dropping. When the reality is you should be concentrating when things are good. Concentrate and build that bag as big as you can, right? Okay? And then when things start to ease off, then you can pull back on the concentration. Now, what is concentration? Let's first talk about that. Number one, it's good to be diversified. It's good to be in multiple platforms, multiple coins. But from a coin standpoint, what do I mean? First and foremost, if you have moon bags, that really doesn't count. You know, you 2x in something, you got a moon bag. That's kind of, you know, that's not really discussion. Your primary assets probably should be, you know, less than 10 coins. Less than 10 coins, okay? Primary. I'm not talking about moon bags. You could have 20, 30, whatever, different ones. Because remember, you have to manage all this, and it takes attention. So, coin count. Platforms. I don't know, man. I would say, you know, 5 is a really good number. 10. Now, if you have mega bags, like, you know, 5, 10 million, yeah, you could probably be in 10 plus platforms. If you're a million or under, it's probably more like you shouldn't be in more than probably 5 different platforms. That's the diversification side. I'm not saying put all your eggs in one basket, but you know, you could be in up to 5 platforms. Now, why would I say that? Because here's the reason. Let's say that passive income is just blowing up, okay? If you're in 10, 20, 30 platforms, that income is all spread out amongst the platforms. Typically, my strategy is I will take, let's say I'm in 5 different platforms. I will take all the yield and I'll rotate it among the platforms, or I will hyper focus all the yields, all the platforms into a single platform for a while, and then I'll move on to the next platform, because I want to concentrate the good paying platforms. You know, I talk about elephant.money and Stampede staking. It may not be as sexy, but I'll tell you what, I've been building that bag. I've been building that bag as quickly as I can, because it's not susceptible to drawdowns. So when things go south, I'll have that bag to fall back onto. Is it necessarily the absolute best paying platform that I'm in? No, I've never said that, but I'm earning stables. I'm earning stables. That's a paycheck, okay? So if you haven't checked out elephant.money Stampede, staking or bonding, super dope. Check it out. Like I said, I am trying to build that bag as fast as possible. So, you know, I'm not trying to make this video super long today. It's just that important message is, number one, when the money's coming in, you take it for granted and you may just be burning it, throwing it around, spreading it too thin. It's like trying to spread 1 scoop of peanut butter on 10 slices of bread. It's too thin. You need to concentrate, okay? Number two, just don't get distracted, okay? It's easy to get distracted. And that distraction comes as opportunity cost and greed. That is, I coulda, woulda, shoulda. You know, you coulda got a lot of things, but remember, as I always say, conservatively, and I catch a lot of flack for this, I like to lock it in. I like to lock my gains in. I'm not worried about what I could have. I'm more interested in what I have. And especially, you know, it's looking rich or being rich is kind of facade, but being wealthy, wealthy people stick to principles, okay? They have core principles and they don't sway from them. That's what made them wealthy to begin with. So, hope you liked today's video. And like I said, be a good steward of your golden goose and concentrate so that you can make that goose stronger and continue so that it can serve you with passive income moving into the future. Hope you liked today's video. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.